Hello children, I, Anupam Nidhi, lecturer in English from Smile Girls National Inter College, am going to teach you a poem of your course, Keeping Quiet, composed by Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda was a Nobel Prize winning poet. He adopted this pen name in 1920 in the memory of Czechoslovak poet Jan Neruda. He was a Chilean poet, diplomat, and a politician. Neruda became known as a poet when he was 13 years old and wrote in a variety of styles, including surrealist poems, historical epics, overtly means meant to be public, political manifestos, a prose autobiography, and passionate love poems. Do you know what are surrealist poems? Surrealism in literature can be defined as an artistic attempt to bridge together reality and the imagination. Neruda is often considered the national poet of Chile. In this poem, the poet highlights the theme of the poem, that is the necessity of quiet introspection. Introspection means observation, Atmanirikshan, and developing a mutual understanding among human beings. So, now we begin our poem. Now we will count to 12. अब हम 12 तक गिनेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4 in ascending order. And we will all keep still. Still means quiet. और हम सब शांत रहेंगे. The poet urges each one of us to count up to 12 and then be quiet. For once, क्योंकि एक बार. On the face of the earth, पृथ्वी के चेहरे पर, let us not speak in any language. हमें किसी भी भाषा में बात नहीं करनी है. Let us stop. हमें रुकना है. For 1 second, एक क्षण को, and not move our arms so much. और अपने हाथ इतने नहीं हिलाने हैं. So, what does the poet want to suggest? He wants that a moment of silence on the earth when no language is spoken. In this way, there will be no language barrier between people. No harsh words will be spoken. In this moment of silence, the poet does not want anyone to move their arms. He wants us to remain motionless. वो चाहता है कि किसी भी प्रकार की कोई हरकत ना हो, एक क्षण एकदम नीरव शांति. It would be an exotic moment. Exotic means exciting. ये बहुत ही उत्तेजनापूर्ण क्षण होगा. Without rush, जिसमें कोई हड़बड़ी नहीं होगी. Without engines, कोई engines नहीं चलेंगे, कोई मशीनें नहीं चलेंगी. We would all be together. हम सब साथ होंगे. In a sudden strangeness, एक अचानक शांत खामोशी अजनबीपन में. The poet feels that such a moment of silence would be an unusual and exciting one. There will be no hurry or sound machines to pollute the atmosphere. It will be a strange and unfamiliar moment. In this unusual period, the bonds of humanity will get stronger. Fishermen in the cold sea, ठंडे समुद्र में जो मछुआरे हैं, would not harm whales. वो whales को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाएंगे, because they won't do their activity. And the man gathering salt, और वो आदमी जो नमक इकट्ठा कर रहा है, would look at his hurt hands. वो अपने चोट खाए हुए हाथों को एक बार देखेगा, क्योंकि इससे पहले उसे समय ही नहीं मिला है अपनी तरफ देखने का. In this moment of inactivity, the fishermen would not be catching fish. Hence, the whales in the sea will be safe. The man who gathers salt will be able to tend to his wounded hands, for which he had no time earlier. Thus, human beings will not destroy nature, and both nature and humans will be able to recover from their wounds. Okay? Clear? Thank you.